Bună, it's beautiful weather, so why not learn Romanian outside? Here are 10 phrases that I wish I knew, to be honest, when I started learning Romanian. Number 1, bună. Typically you'll hear this everywhere, and it comes from the short bună ziua, meaning good day or hello. So you'll see this absolutely everywhere you go. Bună. Number 2, ce faci? Ce faci? Again, this is how are you? This is how are you, and typically you greet somebody similar to in English where you say, are you alright? Are you okay? This is the response that we'll have. Ce faci? Third one is when we introduce our name. Mă numesc. Mă numesc. Mă numesc Jamie. The fourth most essential phrase, especially if you're English, we want to thank everybody. Merci. Merci. Or if you fancy the longer version, you say mulțumesc. Mulțumesc. And number 5, noroc. Noroc. This can mean both cheers and good luck. So when we want to wish somebody good luck, or we have a drink and we hit the glasses together, noroc. Number 6, mie foame. Mie foame. This is I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Literally it means to me is hunger. So you can say this before lunch or any meal. 7th is really relatable for today. Ce frumos este aici. Ce frumos este aici. How beautiful it is here. And Romania is very beautiful. So expect to say this a lot and hear it when you're walking around. Number 8, uite. Uite. This is look, and particularly important if you have family members. Expect to see lots of kids pointing around in the beautiful weather and saying uite, uite. Then number 9, hi. Hi. It's short, it's energetic. We say it to kids, we say it to anybody. Hi. Hi. Come. And the 10th and final one for today, never dem. Never dem. See you. So instead of saying goodbye, we want to say it in a more friendly manner. Every day we say never dem. Never dem. Hope you enjoyed these 10 phrases. If you haven't already, then check out my channel for other videos, such as how to introduce yourself, which I'll stick right here. If you like the way of learning while outside and going for walks, then write in the comments, and I'd love to do more like this. Never dem.